Hi Port Harcourt, it's your boy social profile of PH and I'm live here at the Port Harcourt Fashion Week. This is the biggest and loudest fashion show right here in the city of Port Harcourt. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Leave Port Harcourt to Lagos because there's nothing here. Entertainment is dying off slowly. Like hello friends, welcome to another video. Well, this is not a weekly vlog like I normally do. This is just a day's vlog. I just hate it when I turn on the camera to vlog and someone just starts making random noises. Before I turned on this camera, there was no noise. Everywhere was just quiet. Anyway, well, today I'm going to be attending a fashion show. Today is the Port Harcourt Fashion Show. This week has been the Port Harcourt Fashion Week, but I think today is the last day. Today or tomorrow, I'm not sure, but I'm going to be attending today and I'm going with my sister. The show starts by 7 and it's currently 2:30. I'm getting dressed by this time because I want to film a get ready with me for TikTok, like an outfit get ready with me. I also want to take pictures, so I want to catch the sun. So I can't wait for 7 p.m. because by then the sun will be out. Okay, I'll be taking you guys along for the show and whatever I get up to.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the drop and stop at Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes, throwing my trousers, look at my bricks, these are my tennis, look at my shoes, Chrome hot socks and sandals, man's outside in crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles, so as they send they bread, I cancel. I like to tango, twisting and tangle, testing the angles, up in the bank though, I got the sangles, you with the same hoes, I like the bankroll. Pricey, he wanna fuck cause I'm icy. He never met no one like me, it's pretty funny how now they all like me, innit? This ain't renting, straight from the plane I boarded. Maybe you can't afford it, I'm with my dogs and we out in Shoreditch. You got a shortage on your funds and I got a long clip on my guns. Sounds like fun, I got no shortage.
So I have to turn off the fan so you guys can hear me properly. But this is what the look is giving. This is what the results are. I don't feel like laying my edges. I just slick them back. And I think this is the look I'm going for. But this is what it's giving. My brows are not looking the best today. They're a little bit bushy, but I think I can manage this. What do you guys think? Do you love the outcome? I think I look good anyway. So let me just go ahead and dress up and film for TikTok. I'll set you guys up somewhere while I dress up. And it's also a good thing that I'm filming during the day because it's also a chance for you guys to watch me get ready and see what I'm going to be wearing while I film for TikTok. So because I'm not sure I'll be able to pick up my camera to vlog while I get ready by 7 p.m. Plus it's going to be darker than this, but this is a better lighting. And so let me just go ahead and do what I have to do. So I'm done and I'm ready to go. It's currently 6 o'clock. This is the outfit I settled for, and I couldn't take pictures anymore because the outfit that I wanted to wear, a huge flop. So taking pictures and the get ready with me for TikTok was a dub. So this is what I settled for. Yep, I still love this. I think the outfit is cute and it's it's a statement piece. I'll be pairing it with this pair of heels, this pair of gold heels. and this green bag. And I'm just going to try to keep the accessories minimal because my shoe is gold, I have this gold belt, and my bag has a gold handle, so I'm going to keep the accessories very, very minimal. Y'all, I hate having outfit disappointments. It's so stressful. So I paired it with these earrings, these heart-shaped drop-in earrings, and I'm going to pair it with this ring as well. So this is it for my accessories. Very, very simple because I'm doing too much with every other thing. Just have my extra battery and get my phone. I'm bringing you guys along as well, so let's go.
Reach for my pearls, then you done. Reach for the purses. Wearing designer, I'm in the future. I got a future. I'm in a new truck. I'm in the booth, yeah, drinking kombucha. Singing with Smiley, speaking me highly. Tryna go Kyrie. I wake up finally, suffer in silence, waking up violent, checking the finest, choosing the finest. That's the environment. I'm at the timing, I'm at the timings. APU, I'm checking my timing. Cleaning my watch, cleaning the top, cleaning my job.
You just tell her to collect it from Divine. Okay. For me to register. There is no pen.
Today we're celebrating them for their good work. We're celebrating them for not just employing labor, because you know that the fashion designers are some of the biggest employers of labor in our state today. Tonight we don't not only celebrate them for the work they're doing, putting food on the tables of different families, but we thank them for coloring Port Harcourt City with their creativity. Now if you love Port Harcourt City, make some noise. Come on, make some noise.
of Pitagua. Oshebades. Hi Port Harcourt, it's your boy social profile of PH, and I'm live here at the Port Harcourt Fashion Week. This is the biggest and loudest fashion show right here in the city of Port Harcourt. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Yes, slaying as always. I look like you never go for brand, you never go bring for fair. What? So what's up people, thank you for coming to my as you all know, yes, slaying and slaying and slaying. The night of creativity, now that's how I'm seeing you now. Already Yatata. So guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I think you're amazing. Thank you so much for coming to Fashion Design Week. It's very good to see fashion at its finest. And yeah, I mean, I'm having a great time this evening. So I trust you guys are having a great time as well. And please do well to follow her YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. And please don't forget to send me the link so I can go and subscribe.
Okay, I will. Thank you. Let me have better lighting so you guys can see me clearly. Yeah, look how oily my face is. And I blotted like 3 times. 3 times and my face is this oily. But I'm back home. They started pretty early. We were thinking they were going to stick to the Nigerian time. They said they were going to start by 7 and they actually started by 7. About to get on ready, take off my makeup. My face needs to breathe. I'm going to be using the Garnier micellar water to take off my makeup first. I'm going to use this to cleanse first. By the way, y'all, that show was amazing. The show was still on when we left. I wish we would have stayed some more. You know, I really wish that Port Harcourt people would learn how to get into fashion more, like fashion festivals and stuff like that. I honestly do wish that we can bring back entertainment. I feel like entertainment slowly died off in Port Harcourt. I personally feel that way, and I think that affects our economy here in Port Harcourt and Rivers State as a whole. Entertainment is something that boosts the economy of a country or state, and I feel like we are lacking that here in Port Harcourt. Because even being in the show, I got to witness that a lot of people lack the essence of, you know, fashion. It's just like even the etiquette, like when you're in a fashion show, there are some things you do not do, like clapping when models are on the runway, like when it's not time for a designer to close off his show and you're clapping. Why are you clapping? Standing up, walking up and down, knowing that there are people behind you who need to see the models showcasing outfits on the runway. You're blocking people's view, you know, things like that, and you're just hell-bent on laughing and making fun of people who choose to express their personality and their essence through fashion. You're just laughing at them. Why? It just goes to show that a lot of people in Port Harcourt do not know the importance of fashion, arts and entertainment, and that's honestly true. And this is not the first time I'm attending a fashion show in Port Harcourt. I've attended a couple of times and it's still the same thing. And the thing is that it's different when it's in Lagos. In Lagos, when you see their fashion shows and like GTB Fashion Week, you see how expressive people are with their arts and their creativity. It's not like that in Port Harcourt. People are so concerned and they don't even know the importance of why they are there or what the show is even all about. Like, it's just so crazy. I just wish that we can bring back entertainment in Port Harcourt because we are really lacking that. And this explains why most of our artists leave Port Harcourt to Lagos. Because there's nothing here. Entertainment is dying off slowly, like if not dead. Most of our artists leave Port Harcourt and go to Lagos, and they make it because Lagos takes entertainment seriously and we do not. That's why our artists are leaving. So we really need to do something about that and embrace diverse arts, culture and diverse fashion. It's not healthy to get used to one thing. Try to welcome other people's perspective and yeah, basically other people's perspective. That's what makes art and creativity beautiful. Okay, I really had a good time with my sister. I still have this tab on. When I was a teenager, I used to aspire to be a fashion designer. I'm very good with sketches. I'm good at sketches. I used to make a lot of sketches of different outfits and designs and models. I used to do that a lot. I used to have like a scrapbook, like a sketchbook that I would always draw and shade. that dream died, and here we are. But yeah, I'm still in design. If you know, design is still a part of what I do, but not just in the fashion industry. I'm just going to go ahead and take off my makeup and call it a night. I already had dinner, so I'm really tired. Oh no, I cannot go to bed. I need to edit the video that that's supposed to go up tomorrow, so that's what I need to do. Wow. So I'm going to end off the vlog here so I can concentrate, and I have things to do for tonight. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This content seems different from my regular content, but it's part of my life and I wanted you guys to be a part of it, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Thank you.